Everybody, today we are going to study about greatest integer function, which is mean as GIF. In shortcut we write it as GIF. Here a function is defined from R to R. F is a function from R to R, and f of x is equal to defined as greatest integer function of x, which means that which will be if we define, we have find the value of x is equal to 2, which means that it will be in interval 2 less than equal to x less than equal to it will be less than 3. Okay, so for greatest integer of x is equal to 2 is value for the values in between 2 and 3. If you draw a real line, here it is interval from 2 to 3. Okay, so the greatest integer function x is equal to 2 will be for a value between starting from 2 to 3. Okay, the point here, if you consider f is equal to 2.5, so its value will be 2. Here if you consider f is equal to 2.9, its value is also 2. Or if we consider f is equal to 2.1, so its value is equal to 2. That is, the value in between 2 and 3 will be coincide with, or we will consider the integer toward its left first, which come first. So if we have a value in between 2 and 3, so the integer in its left side it is 2, which is less than. Okay, great. So here 2 will be the value for the values 2 to 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. Okay, so similarly we can find x is equal to 1 in interval 1 less than equal to x less than 3. That means it lies between 1 to 3. It will be looked as it is close here and it is open here, which means it is nearer to 2 but not 2. So in this, it left side has an integer 1, so value in between for any value between f of 1.8, its greatest integer function is 1. Here f of 1.1, its greatest integer function is 1. Okay, for x is equal to 0, if greatest value of x is 0, so it will be lie in interval 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. Here it is 2, I written it wrongly, 3. Here 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. If so, here interval is 0, so it start from 0 and end at 1. Okay, for that is any value between 0 and 1, it will be 0. Okay, so for negative also we consider same pattern only, that means for x is equal to -2. Okay, so if you draw on a real line, here we draw again a real line for negative terms. Here we start from -1 only. Here it is -1, so here it is 0, near after that it is -1. So in this, when we value of x is equal to -1, the interval start from -1, because in -1 and 0, smallest value is -1, so it will be -1 less than equal to x less than 0. So its greatest integer function is -1 for -1 less than equal to x less than 0. So next greatest integer function x is equal to 2, -2 for -2 less than equal to x less than -1, because -2 is less than -1. Okay, so its left integer is -2, so for -2 its interval is from -2 to open at 1. Okay, similarly for -3, it will be -3 less than equal to x less than -2. Okay, now if we draw a graph related to this, the graph will be look like, if we consider this as a y-axis, it has a x-axis, okay. Now for 0 to 1, if we consider some point plot here, 1 2 3 4, for left side it is -1 -2 -3. Okay, for height y-axis -1, -2, -3. Here also it is 1, here 2 and 3. Okay, so first we draw from x is equal to 0, 0 less than equal to x less than 1. Okay, that means there is a value 0 for values in between 0 and 1. So for 0 it is 0. Okay, for 0.1 it is 0, for 0.2 it is also 0, for 0.3 it is 0, for up to 0.9 it is 0, but at 1 it is 1. So our first, here we draw a line between 0 to 1. Here it is open at 1 because 1 is not does not consist in this line. Okay, for 1 it is 1. Okay, next for 1.2 it is 1, for 1.3 it is 1, for 1.5 it is 1, but for 2 it is not 2, so it is open here. So it will be look like this. We draw. Now for 2 it is 2. Okay, so for 2.1 it is 2, for 2.2 it is 2, 2.5 it is 2, but for 3 it is not 2. For 3 it is 3. So for 3 it will be start from this. So for 3.3 it is 3, 3.4 it is 3, for 4 it is not 3. So for positive part this will look like. For negative, for -1, so here it is -1, for 0.1 it is again -1, for 0.2 it is -1, for 0.3 it is -1, for 0.5 it is -1, for -1 it is -1, but here it will be not 0. For 0 it will be not consist. All remaining point will be consist. For -1 it is -1, so this will be look like. Okay, next it will be for -1 it is not 2, -2. Okay, so it will be round here. For next greater less value, for -1.2 it is 2, for -1.5 it is 2, for -2 it is 2. So it will be a line starting from -2 but open at -1 because -1 it is 1, -1. Similarly we can draw for next. For -2 it is open here and here it will be close. -3 it will be 3. So graph of a function f of x is equal to mod x upon x, or here greatest integer function of x will be look like this. F of x is equal to mod greatest function of x. Okay, now in this domain of f is again domain of f, it is again a real number and range will be also a real. Range of f is again a real number only. Okay, so this is all about greatest integer function.